how to turn off or on all sites notifications on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser, and once you're here, click account settings and then go to notifications. Here, scroll down, and here you will find the comment notifications and site notifications here. Now just click on it, and now just click apply to all existing sites and click apply, and that's it. Now you can turn it on again if you want, and now just click close, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.